Today we're going to take a look at how to make a scatter plot that is color-coded based on a categorical variable. So here I have a subset of my roller coaster data. I have the length in feet of the track, the duration in seconds of the ride, and then the type of coaster, whether it's steel or wooden coaster. So I would like the length to be the x variable, the duration to be the y variable, and then the dots on the scatter plot to be color-coded, whether it's a steel or a wooden roller coaster. So I'm going to start by sorting my data by my categorical variable, so by the type. So I'm going to go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Sorting Options. I do have a header, and I want to sort by type. So now you can see all of the steel coasters are listed first. The wooden coasters are listed last. So I'm going to keep the duration for the steel coasters in column B, but I'm going to move the duration for the wooden coasters to column C. So I am going to cut and paste those numbers. And then I'm going to delete the word steel from column C. I am going to change the title of column B to be steel and the title of column C to be wooden. So now in column A, I have the x variable, the length of each of the roller coasters. Column B contains the y variable, the duration for the steel coasters, and column C contains the y variable, the duration for the wooden coasters. Now I'm going to highlight all three of these columns and go to Insert Chart. You see it automatically pops up with a scatter plot, which is what I want. I'm going to move that for a second. It does make length my x variable. It does not label my y-axis, which we'll get to in a minute, but it does color code the points based on whether they are a steel or wooden coaster. So as we discussed with scatter plots earlier, you can go into customize chart and axes titles and say, I want to make the vertical axis title duration. Okay. And then you can go into series and change the colors of the steel versus wooden if you would like to do that. All the other settings are the same as they are for regular scatter plots.